How to fix notification sounds is not working on your Android phone or you're not hearing notification sounds. So first you'll need to swipe down from the top and make sure the do not disturb mode or night mode is not enabled. And if it is enabled, uncheck it. And the next thing you'll need to do is open up the settings and then scroll down to sound and vibration and click on it. And from here, make sure the silent mode is not checked. And if it is, uncheck it. And also uncheck silent media in silent mode and make sure the do not disturb again is turned off. And adjust the volumes to the highest possible so that you can properly hear it. Now, if you're not hearing notification sounds for specific applications, you want to go back to the settings and then go to apps. And then you want to search for the app that is or have a problem with the notification sounds. So for example, this app here. And then scroll down and click on notifications and make sure show notifications is turned on. And also scroll down and make sure the notification permissions has sound on. And if it's off, you can turn it on like that. And this should basically fix the sound notification problem in your phone. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.